Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome today. Not in today's newspaper. No, today's newspaper is actually Thursday, March the 17th, 2022, and we have no extra puzzle. So I decided to solve the edition of Wednesday, March the 2nd, and I've already solved one puzzle. So two puzzles are left: the Two Stars and the Tectonic. It's time for the Two Stars Sudoku number. This will be the number 4272. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. And for Two Stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need my time limit 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have a 3 and a 5 in this big square. So no 3 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. So now we have 2 missing numbers in this column. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And the 9 goes there. Alright. Okay. 9 in this row. 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the first row. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Then let me see. 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. How about? Interesting. Yeah. We have a 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 7. Then 1. Then 2, yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 2. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2 in the third column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be here. Then. How about? 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 6 in this row. Well, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in that box. Here 6 in this column, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. Two missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7 are missing. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. All right. Two missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Okay. Then. Yeah. 9. Yeah. Come on, think. Think too long. 3. 5. We have a 6 in the third row, the 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, only place left for the 6 should be here. 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. All right. Let me see. 3, yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. All right. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers, an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 should be there. Oh, all right. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. I cannot fill this directly. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column. Here we have 2 and a 4. The 1, the 2, and the 4, the 3, yes. I believe the 5, yes. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Oh, there we see the 5. No 5 there, 5 should be here. Well, let me see. 5. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3 and 8. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 and 8 is missing, 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 4, 8, 9, 4, 8, 9, and look, we have 4 and 8 in this column. So no 4 and 8 in this box. The 4 and 8 goes in those two boxes. As a pair, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 9. Alright, 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 9. Okay. How about 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 it should be here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see that 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 7. 1 in this. 2 missing numbers in this big square. For the numbers, 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be 8, 2. 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. 1 box left in this row for the number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. Now we have 2 final numbers in this big square for the numbers. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Quicker than I expected. So is this really a 2 stars? Let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm interested in these center boxes of the big squares. I'm collecting those data, those numbers for 5 weeks, I believe. Maybe I can see a pattern. Maybe you can see a pattern. So we have a 896, 896, 342, 342, and 921, 921. Here we have the 9 as a pair, the 2 as a pair. 2 pairs. Yeah. All right. Thank you. See you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, the tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.